Mr. Malkovich, am I saying it correct?
Yes.
Okay, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Where do I start?
At the beginning.
Okay. Well, cut to the election. The Great White Hope gets elected. I thought our household would be happy about it. I find out I'm married to a libtard. And she starts going off the handle, and like eventually she's just partying and doing all this nonsense and gets on H, smack, like a loser, and goes off the rails, leaves me, we got 2 kids, 2 and 5-year-olds, and just leaves me to take care of these kids.
He thought they'd celebrate together, but when the election was over, his world flipped. She changed overnight, partying, disappearing, heroin gone. She left behind 2 innocent babies and a father scrambling to survive. Now he's here in court, desperate. But wait until you hear what she's been doing while he raised their kids alone. This story only gets darker.
So okay, I'm like, okay, fine.
Okay, so now we're getting into the important part of your story.
What do you mean? I'm giving you backstory. Isn't that what you're here? Don't you need context?
Yeah, but all the name calling and
name calling.
jabs,
I'm just telling you. I'm giving you context. Okay. This idiot needs to go to.
Okay, you will refer to her by her name. What is your name?
Martha.
You will refer to her as Martha.
Martha.
Okay? She will not be a libertarian,
problem,
whatever you said, and an
I
idiot.
took her to rehab, which cost $20,000.
Okay.
He's angry, bitter, naming names, throwing verbal punches, but the judge isn't having it. She demands respect and facts. The rehab, $20,000, gone. The name-calling ends now. Because what comes next reveals not just a struggle for custody, but a war over dignity. What did he say that almost had the judge throw him out? You'll see.
Okay.
That was all of our savings, all of our money, supposed to be the kids' college fund, but I figure the kids aren't going to go to college if they have a mom on heroin. Pretty bad example. So let's get it situated.
But she got the help, right?
Yeah, she got the help.
Okay, so
she
that's
joined
what's
the cult.
important.
She drank the Kool-Aid. She stayed longer than her stint. Met some guy named, what's his name? Paul. Met Paul. You know, the globe-trotting Paul. What was Paul into, huh? Meth? Whatever. They're clean and sober together. She comes back, you know.
He drained every dollar meant for their children's future just to save her life. It was rehab or ruin. And now she's clean, with a new man, a new life. But what about the kids? As her world restarts, his is still on pause. You won't believe who she met in recovery and what happened next.
After spending an extra
Mr. Malkovich.
What?
Excuse me.
Yes, I mean.
Did you come here to waste my time? What is
court?
it that you want me to do?
Oh, okay. She's now got her life together. Her and Paul got a little apartment. I let her see the kids every now and then, you know, make sure that, you know, I'd leave them unsupervised sometimes. Not to mention, then when I do that, she's on Instagram with these weird friends, they're rehab people, introducing them to our kids. But anyway, I want money. She works now. She works out. Like she didn't even work out when we were dating. Now she's gonna keep it tight for Paul.
She used to avoid the gym. Now she's working out, dressing up, living a new life. For Paul, the same woman who vanished is now back on Instagram with her sober crew. He's letting her see the kids. Sometimes, but there's one thing he wants back, and it's not love. He wants her to pay. And it's not just about money.
So you're mad about that?
Yeah, who wouldn't be? I spent all my money in just to fund a heroin addiction, and now she comes back and she's all, Joey got her life together, and I'm like, well, okay, you know, I'm a good guy about it. She can see the kids, you can take them to Brahms, all that kind of nonsense, but you know, if she's gonna participate in their lives, I need a little bit of cash.
Ma'am, I just want to see my babies.
I was just getting ready to cut him off and move to you. Martha, you just want to see your children?
Yes, please.
Okay, and do the children live with him? That's a yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
He's done being the nice guy. After all, the nights rocking sick babies and skipping meals to survive, he wants what's owed. She's clean now, fine. But if she wants to play mom again, he wants support, financial and emotional. But she's got her own demands And when she speaks, the whole room stops.
So the way that it works is, if the children live with him, you are supposed to be paying him some sort of money for the kids. I mean, even though he's a little, out
What?
there, he still is entitled to receive child support for the support of the children.
I don't mind that. I don't make very much, but
Okay.
I would really just,
She's a waitress at Denny's.
Excuse me.
I'm just telling you.
Excuse me. Did she cut you off while you were giving that elaborate story?
I mean, she hardly knows how to speak English. How's she gonna cut me off?
No. Did she cut you off?
No.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
The judge cuts through the noise. If he has the kids she pays support, period. She says she doesn't make much, but money isn't the only thing this courtroom is short on. Respect is running low. Tensions are rising. And now, someone's about to lose their cool. And maybe their case.
Now, Martha, how much money do you make?
$26,000 with tips a
Okay.
year.
You're laughing at that, but you're in this courtroom asking for her to pay you child support.
It's either that or just leave me and the kids and let us live our lives and just stay out. They don't need
No,
they don't need
and
an
that's not
addict as a
healthy.
mother to be constantly.
Do you want me to help you get child support? Because if not, we can stop this today.
Yes.
And
Sorry.
you can come back another day when you're.
Miss
I mean-
another day of work. Some of us make more than 26 grand a
You
year.
You didn't take anything before you came in this courtroom today, did you?
Take anything? What do you mean?
Yeah, you know what I mean.
No.
She makes $26,000 a year. He laughs. In court, in front of the judge. Big mistake. But the courtroom isn't just for jokes. It's for justice. And when the judge snaps back, everyone listens. Is he here for support or revenge? Keep watching. The next moment changes everything.
Oh, okay. I'm just making sure. You seem a little jittery.
Well, I'm a little. My kids' lives are on the line. I'm a little nervous.
Well, they're not really on the line if she got it together. And she says she wants to see the kids. And I think you should allow her to see the kids.
Okay, I do let her see the kids. She can get.
Yeah, but you do not have to demean her while doing so.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I know that he's right. I did have a hard time about a year ago. But like I said, I'm at a really, or like he said, I am seeing somebody else who I think is very good for me.
Okay.
He's shaking, she's steady. He claims he's nervous for his kids, but the judge sees through the chaos. She's changed, she says, found love, stability, but he can't let go of the past. The judge steps in because co-parenting isn't about grudges, and her next decision leaves both parents speechless.
Mainly, I would just like, I don't mind paying whatever child support, but if we could work unsupervised visits into the agreement, I would really appreciate that. I just don't want to see him anymore.
I think she should have some unsupervised access, considering
like-
that she's gotten her stuff together.
Well, how does that work? I mean, because who decides that? Like, can the first one be with another third party that comes?
I don't think that's necessary.
You're suggesting that I leave my children alone with her, right? Like, she could go to a park and there's some dude peddling H, and then all of a sudden she's passed out in the gutter.
She wants unsupervised visits. He says it's a death sentence. Claims she relapse, that their kids will be left in the street. The courtroom goes tense. Can someone clean really ever escape their past? The judge listens, but what she says next changes the tone and the stakes.
And one of my kids is getting hit by a car. Like,
Okay.
it's
I'm going to stop you right there.
unfathomable.
I'm going to stop you right there.
Yeah.
And this is what we're going to do.
What are we gonna do?
What you're going to do, first of all, is get your foot. What are you doing?
What do you mean? What am I doing? I'm listening to you. Go
You
on.
have a cigarette in your mouth. There is no smoking in this
Why
building.
wouldn't you be smoking in there?
No, there
What,
is
you
no
want
smoking. Wait, bailiff, before he leaves, I need you to know this. We're going to reset your case because obviously you have a lot going on. So when you're ready to conduct yourself.
He lights a cigarette in court, yes, in front of the judge. Her jaw drops, his case frozen. She stops the hearing. This is no longer about custody, it's about control and respect. When a judge resets the entire case, everything you thought was decided gets thrown out. But it's what she says after that, ends it all.
in a way that's appropriate for this courtroom, then you come back and ask me for some relief.
So you want me to come back and
No,
miss
what I
another
want you
day
to
at
do,
work?
what I want you to do is be quiet, listen to what I said, and get out of my courtroom.
This is a kangaroo court.
Well, thank
This is
you.
absurd.
Thank you. This is what we're going to do, Martha. We are going to reset your case to a later date. Just make sure when you come back, you have your financial documents with you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
She tried to hold it together. He tried to push too far. But the judge, she laid down the law. The case is reset. The kid's still caught in the middle, and one last warning, come back ready, or don't come back at all. This case may be paused, but the pain is real. If you felt the heartbreak in this story, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe. For more real courtroom drama, sometimes justice takes time, but the truth always finds its way.